Hello again everyone. In this video tutorial we will integrate this given integral. Before we get started, let me go ahead and write this one a little bit differently. Let me show you. Cosine square of x dx. So these both integrals are same. There's no difference whatsoever. So now in order to integrate this thing, we will be using a trigonometric identity. So this is the trigonometric identity that we will be using. Cosine of 2x equals to 2 cosine square of x minus 1. Now you might be wondering, how did we come up with this identity? Eventually, at the very end, I will show you how to prove this one. I will show you. But let's go ahead and take care of this integral first. So let's go ahead and I'm going to do this one over here. I want you to move this -1 to the left hand side. So this is going to become simply 1 plus cosine of 2x equal to 2 cosine square of x. So far so good. Now I want you to divide by 2 across the board. So what's going to happen then? So simply this become 2 and 2 cancels out. We got cosine square of x equal to 1 over 2 plus cosine of 2x divided by 2. So now as you can see that cosine square of x is equivalent to this quantity, which is, this is what I'm going to replace this one by. So I can write this thing, this cosine square of x, I can replace it by this quantity. I'm going to write down 1 over 2 plus cosine of 2x divided by 2 times dx. Let's go ahead and expand it by using the definition. So we can write 1 over 2 times dx plus integral of cosine of 2x divided by 2 times dx. Now this constant 1 over 2, you can bring it outside. You can write dx integral plus 1 over 2 outside integral of cosine of 2x dx. Now the next thing what we're going to do is, what is the integral of this one, which is simply x. I can write 1 over 2 times x plus 1 over 2. So let's take care of this one over here. We're going to be taking care of the integral of this part over here. Let me show you an easy way of doing this one. Let me go ahead and write it down over here. So I can write cosine of 2x times dx, where we got this 2x is our argument. So we know that the integral of cosine is always sine, so that is going to become sine of 2x. Now I want you to just look at this part, 2x, the argument. The derivative of 2x is what? 2, isn't it? So 2, what we got is 2. Whatever that one 2, I want you to simply divide it by that number 2. So that means the integral of cosine of 2x dx turns out to be a sine of 2x over 2. That's what I'm going to write down. 1 over 2 times sine of 2x over 2, and finally plus c, which is an arbitrary constant. And thus our complete answer is going to be x over 2 plus 1 over 2, and 1 over 2 makes 1 over 4 sine of 2x plus c. And that is our complete answer. And finally, I'm going to explain it to you. How did we come up with cosine of 2x equal to 2 cosine square of x minus 1? As you can, here's the explanation. Do you recall this sum of angle formula for cosine of x? Cosine of alpha plus beta equals to cosine of alpha cosine of beta minus sine alpha sine of beta. So now since we have a cosine of 2x, that could be written as, we could write as x plus x cosine. And by using this formula, this sum of angle formula, so we came up with cosine of x times cosine of x minus sine of x times sine of x. Cosine and cosine, when you multiply, it gives you a cosine square minus likewise sine square. And then the next thing I want you to again recall one more identity. Sine square plus cosine square equals to always 1. So from here sine square is going to be 1 minus cosine square x. So I can replace this sine square by simply 1 minus cosine square. When you simplify, we got simply cosine of 2x equal to 2 cosine square of x minus 1. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.